Question 3. Simplify sine 2a cosine 3a plus sine 3a cosine 2a. The idea of this question is the reverse idea of question 1 and 2. In question 1 and 2, he gives the function of one angle, and we used the rule of adding and subtracting of two angles to expand this function. Here he gives the expansion, and we have to rewrite this expression as the function of one angle using the same rules. So here we have to mention this expression. What is its form? Its form is sine cosine plus or minus sine cosine. From forms we studied before, we can see that it's similar to sine of sum or difference between two angles. So here we write it as sine of two angles. It's 2a and 3a, but its sum or difference, as we said before, the sign, positive or negative, and sine function will be the same. So it will be sine of adding the two angles 2a and 3a, then simplify what inside the bracket as possible. Here we can write 2a plus 3a as 5a. Sometimes we can't simplify this expression, but simplify as possible. Question 4a or question 4, it's the same as question 3, the same idea, but here we can see that he gives angles as numbers. So what will be different, we'll see at the end of the question. The idea of this question is writing this expression as a function of one angle. This function or this expression similar to which rule? Cosine cosine, sine sine. From the list of rules, it's similar to cosine sum or difference between two angles. So we write it as cosine sum or difference between two angles. The two angles are 10 and 20. In cosine function, the sign between brackets will be difference. So it will be cosine 10 plus 20. Simplify as possible. It will be cosine 30. So the first difference in this form from the last question is angles are given as numbers. The second difference is he said find the exact value. So after simplifying, we have to calculate the value of this function. Cosine 30 equal root 3 over 2. So in question 3, he said simplify so we can find the value or not. Here he said find the exact value. So after simplifying, we have to find the value of the function of this angle, like this.